Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome into Talking Fitchburg on this beautiful Wednesday, May 4th. Happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you, as always. Sorry, I like Star Wars, so you get the little Star Wars Day quote there for today being May 4th. Welcome in. I'm Andrew Bama, filling in for Jeremy Crosby again today. As he's in and out of the building this week, I am helping keeping it going here on Talking Fitchburg. And again, it is a beautiful day, and we have a good show for you today. We're going to talk with BBB about fake websites in our digest today, which will be a repeat, which we've played before last month. And then we're going to talk about Festa Italia. Festa Italia is back after a few years being off due to the pandemic, and we'll be talking with them, going through exactly what Festa Italia is and all about, and what the lineup looks like this year. And we'll talk about that in the headlines as well. So we're going to get right into it, and we're going to start with Happy International Firefighters Day. And this is from the Fitchburg Fire Department Facebook page. Today is International Firefighters Day. Let us celebrate all firefighters around the world for their bravery, dedication, and acknowledge the sacrifice they made. Thank you for protecting our communities. And again, thank you very much all to the firefighters here in Fitchburg and all throughout this country. And again, happy International Firefighters Day. So if you see a firefighter, thank them today. It's a big job out there. All right, now we're going to talk a little bit about Festa and give you some of the details coming up for Festa Italia 2022. It's going to be held at McKee Farms Park, which is 2930 Chapel Valley Road. It'll be Friday, June 3rd through Sunday, June 5th. Admission is $5, which includes all-access entertainment offerings. Children 12 and under are free. Parking is free with shuttles from several parking areas. The music this year is the Jerry DiMaggio Band, the Mama Dig Downs Brass Band, the Cash Box Kings, and others. Those are kind of your big bands that will be there through, again, the 3rd to the 5th. We'll again talk more about that in the guest segment today with David Rizzo as well. All right, next we have the Fitchburg Networking and Open House welcome from the Chamber. This will be held on May 23rd from 4 to 7 at Delta Beer Lab, which is 167 East Badger Road. We would like to welcome the Town of Madison businesses to the City of Fitchburg, meet key personnel at the City of Fitchburg and Fitchburg Chamber, and receive answers to frequently asked questions regarding doing business in Fitchburg. Network with your peers and meet other business professionals in the Fitchburg area. Please register in advance to guide us into the planning in the planning of the Welcome to Fitchburg event. So again, please register. We'll have the website or the web link up in the headlines when we put this on Facebook and YouTube, so you can see where you need to go. Also, we want to say tomorrow, folks, marks the the opening for this year of the Fitchburg Farmers Market. It's back, and it's under the pavilion, of course, at 5500 East Sherrill Parkway. That'll be 3 to 6 tomorrow. Mark your calendars, come on down, and some of those new vendors are right here. So welcome to the new vendors, and of course all of the returning vendors. It's going to be really fun down there. We're going to have some free giveaway totes and live music as well. So come on down again, 3 to 6 tomorrow, Thursday, May 5th, and get your farmers market on. All right, also we have a S.T.E.A.M after school class coming up at the Fitchburg Public Library. This will be held May 27th from 4 to 5 in the second floor meeting room at the library, 5530 Lacey Road. Explore the intersection of science and art with our S.T.E.A.M after school program for kiddos 5 to 12 years old. So come on down and check that out again on May 27th. That seems like a really good time. Also talking about a good time for your seniors, we got a card making at the Senior Center. A very generous donation of card making supplies will soon be ready for your fingertips. Mark your calendar for Friday, June 17th And the format will be a make and take, but if your card making experience is limited, friendly assistance will be available. For more information, please look for the June newsletter, as it will come out and have more information from the Senior Center. And last story here before we go to break is the Hearts for Hope Paint the Town. Join us for a colorful event benefiting the youth and the community center. This will be held on Friday, May 20th from 5:30 to 11. This will be at the Boys and Girls Club. The event is by the Madison Girls Club of Dane County. Will be at the Madison Concourse Hotel and Governor's Club. Tickets can be found at bgcdc.org/H4H. So again, come on out. The goal is to raise $300,000. It's probably $30,000 to fundraise programming, allowing local youth to pursue successful futures in any career pathway they choose. To create a safer environment for all that participate, we are requiring proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test within 72 hours of the event, so be ready to do that as well. Again, this will be on May 20th, so come on down for that. All right, we're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll be talking with Tiffany from the BBB about spotting those fake websites and what to do and what to look out for. That's all coming up next on Talking Fitchburg.